Tech Insights is taking a deep dive into the new Huawei Pura 70 Ultra smartphone. The Huawei Pura 70 series of mobile phones was released on April 18, 2024, after much anticipation for the rumored release of a Huawei P series. But with a surprising message on social media earlier in April, Huawei announced the rebranding of its P series smartphone to the Huawei Pura product line. This year's Pura product family includes 4 different models: the base Huawei Pura 70, the Pura 70 Pro, the Pura 70 Pro Plus, and the model we are focusing on today, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. The new Huawei Pura 7 Ultra stands out from the other Pura 70 models because its main 50-megapixel rear camera is designed with a mechanical retractable zoom lens. Log into your Tech Insights account to watch the full unboxing and teardown of the new Huawei Pura 70 Ultra smartphone.